Welcome to Bike Buzz. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Yamaha R15 V5, the latest evolution of India's favorite entry-level supersport bike. Known for its razor-sharp styling, high-revving engine, and track-focused dynamics, the R15 is getting a fresh upgrade for 2025. Let's check out what's new. Sharper aerodynamic design. The R15 V5 is expected to get a more aggressive and aerodynamic body inspired by its bigger sibling, the YZF R7. Yamaha may introduce redesigned LED headlights, integrated DRLs, and a more sculpted fairing for better wind protection. A new digital instrument console with Bluetooth connectivity will enhance rider convenience, offering navigation, call alerts, and ride telemetry. Same powerful 155 cubic centimeters VVA engine, now more refined. Under the hood, the R15 V5 is likely to continue with the 155 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine with variable valve actuation (VVA). This engine will still deliver around the 18th of May, 19 PS of power and 14.5 Nm of torque, but Yamaha may fine-tune it for better mid-range performance. Expect an improved assist and slipper clutch, along with a 6-speed gearbox with a Quickshifter for seamless gear changes. Enhanced suspension and handling. The 2025 R15 V5 could feature upgraded USD front forks for even better stability and cornering precision. The rear monoshock will be tuned for improved comfort, making it more practical for city rides and long-distance touring. The Delta box frame will continue to offer its signature sharp handling, making it the best in class for enthusiasts. Improved braking and safety features. Yamaha is likely to introduce dual-channel ABS as standard, with the possibility of a switchable ABS mode for track use. The dual-disc setup with radial calipers will ensure better braking performance, while the broader rear tire will provide enhanced grip, making aggressive cornering more confident. Expected price and launch. With all these updates, the 2025 Yamaha R15 V5 is expected to be priced between 1.90 Indian rupees lakh to 2.10 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom. A launch is anticipated in mid to late 2025, keeping it competitive against the KTM RC200, Suzuki Gixxer SF250, and upcoming Honda CBR 150R. Would you upgrade to the Yamaha R15 V5 in 2025? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Buzz for more bike updates and reviews. Stay tuned.